I'm so happy to be partnering today with Keurig K-Crema brewer. So you're thinking of buying or gifting the Keurig K-Crema brewer. Well, here are a few things that you absolutely should know before doing so. As a busy mom of 4 working full-time and 40 years old, I've had my fair share of coffee drinking experiences. In fact, prior to using the Keurig K-Crema brewer, I was buying coffees that were around $7 a day. And then I would drive there and I would drive home and spend time doing that. Like, that's gas money, coffee money. Whew, man, that's a lot, but not anymore. So if you love coffee, saving money, and drinking it in the comfort of your own home, then you're gonna wanna keep watching. I've been using some form of the Keurig coffee makers for probably about 20 years or so. Why? Because they last that long and they are that good. The Keurig K-Crema brewer creates that crema topping, and you can also make espresso-style shots within the comfort of your own home. That crema topping is rich and creamy and oh so tasty. So not only do you get to enjoy cafe-style coffee in the comfort of your own home, you can also use your existing K-Cup pods. No need to go out and purchase more expensive pods or different pods. You can use your existing Keurig pods. Here's what's really exciting. The Keurig K-Crema brewer utilizes new pressure infusion technology. So what does this mean for you? It extracts flavor with 5 times more pressure than your traditional Keurig brewer. More flavor, creamier, tastier, I'm all for it. Just press the pressure button and it does all the work, brewing a smooth, full-bodied coffee or espresso-style shot topped with a rich, silky crema. Seriously, look at that crema. I used to get excited every day when I woke up to have my first cup of coffee. Now I really get excited to wake up every day. I'm like, yes! And if you are gifting this for yourself or someone that you love, they will also have that same experience. Mornings are no longer boring or mundane. Serious luxury within the comfort of your own home. And you get all of that just by pushing one button. One button, not a million steps, not a million pieces that you need to get and buy. You don't have to wait for minutes upon minutes upon minutes just to get your first cup of coffee for the day. No, my friend, convenience within the comfort of your home. Especially as we move into colder months, who wants to leave their home? I know I don't. This may just be the fastest Keurig brewer that I've ever experienced before. I mean, all of them are relatively quick, but this one right here, it's like super speed. And you'd think that it would take longer because of all the advanced technology. Nope. So you wake up in the morning, you want to get your first cup of coffee. All you're going to do is lift this up, put your new K-Cup pod in, push the button down, choose classic or pressure. Let's choose the pressure and get some crema. We're going to do 10 ounces. I love this. Look at that crema right there, right on top. It is magical and so satisfying. Because of this, I don't even need to add my own cream. This is enough. And in no time, you have the perfect cup of coffee with crema on top. And what about the flavor, you ask? It's bold, balanced, and smooth. In fact, I think it's better than the $7 cups of coffee that I was previously buying. That is so good. And can I just say, my husband is more grateful now. I feel like I'm saving so much. I mean, I really am. And if you still want your classic hot cocoa, tea, or coffee, the Keurig K-Crema brewer also does that. So you get the best of both worlds. Just switch to the classic brew setting powered by multi-stream technology, which evenly saturates your coffee grounds for full flavor and aroma in every sip. It also comes with a removable adjustable tray, so it's perfect for smaller size cups or espresso shots, or if you want to put a travel mug underneath. And the 72-ounce removable reservoir ensures that you can brew multiple cups before you have to refill it. Just set it and let it. I love this. This reservoir houses so much water and it has an incredible, easy to use, convenient handle on it. And it's just about filled to that max line. There are 4 cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, or 12. So choose the option that you like best. Now for me personally, I really like the 10-ounce version, especially with my crema. The Keurig K-Crema brewer is K-Cup pod compatible, so whether you love Green Mountain coffee roasters, the original donut shop, McCafe, or whatever your favorite brand is, you can use them all. And yes, you can use any K-Cup coffee pod to make your espresso style shots, single or double. So if you want to upgrade your morning routine and bring a little cafe magic to your home or to the home of someone that you love, you're definitely going to want the new Keurig K-Crema brewer. Classic or crema, full cup or espresso shot, the options are all yours. Now it just has a richer, smoother, and more indulgent twist. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Make sure you click that link in the description box below. And I promise you will not be disappointed.